guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. I want to say thank you for joining me every week and supporting my channel. I'm back with a quick and easy Walgreens haul, and all you need is your phone, no paper coupon, to do the 3 deals I'll be sharing in this video. First deal I'll pick up today will be on Dawn dish soap. It's on the deal of buy 2, you get $1 back in register reward. I checked the app, I don't see any coupon for this, and it's priced at $1.24 each. Both items are going to total me $2.48, and I'll get back $1 register reward. That will make these two items $1.48 or 74 cents each. Next deal I'll add to this transaction will be some Colgate products. The deal with this is buy 2, you get $3 register reward, and this mouthwash is on sale for $4.50. And I'll be picking up 2, and 2 of them are going to total me $9. Check your app because we have a 4 off 2 coupon that is going to drop it down to $5. You pay that and get $3 back, making both items $2 or $1 each. The next deal is when you buy 3 or more Crest or Oral-B participating products, you get $5 register reward back. And I'll be picking up this toothpaste on sale for $3. To complete this deal, I'll pick up 2 of the Kids Board Beads. It's on sale for $3.50. My store is not tagged, so you can check online or you can check your app and you will see that it's on sale for $3.50. And these are the 3 items I'll be picking up in this deal. We have a 5 off 2 coupon for the Board Beads toothpaste, and also for the Crest, there is a $1 coupon in our app. You can scan the item or you can just type it in and you will see the coupons. With the 2 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $4. I will pay that and get $5 back, making both items free and a $1 money maker. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction. I'm doing all this together because I have a booster of spend $1, you get $5 Walgreens cash. And if everything works out, this will be a money maker. Everything worked out as planned. My coupons came off, all my digital coupons came off. I used 2 register reward, a $5 off and a $4 off. I ended up paying just $2.48 out of pocket, and I got back $1 register reward for buying 2 of the Dawn, and a $5 register reward for doing the Crest deal, and also a $3 register reward for doing the Colgate deal. And I also received my $5 Walgreens cash for spending $1. Remember, I paid $2.48 out of pocket, so that covered that deal. And with the $5 Walgreens cash I earned back, this made this whole transaction free and a $2.72 money maker. Thank you all for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe and bye.